Good morning, children. Today's subject is science. Today we will see the next part of chapter number 9, heat. In last period we have started the chapter number 9, that is heat, and in that we have studied about the sources of heat, then different modes of heat transfer, that is conduction, convection and radiation. Okay, with their examples. Then we have discussed about the good conductor of heat and bad conductor of heat, their substances. So today we have to see the next part, that is expansion and contraction of solid substance due to heat. See, expansion and contraction of a substances have wide practical applications. So here have some examples or some experiments. So let's see how the expansion and contraction of a solid substance are occur due to heat. See, for that experiment we have to use a metal ring, metal ball and a burner. So at first that ball can pass through a ring. Now we are going to heat to that ball for some time. Okay, we have to heat it strongly for a 3 minute. Then after heating, now we have to observe, is it pass through the ring? Yes, it is unable to pass through the ring. So what will happen? Before it can pass easily through the ring, but after heating it cannot pass. Now I am going to keep that ring with the flow of water. Now that bulb is cooled. Now again we have to observe what will happen now. See, now it can easily pass. Yes. So after cooling what will happen? Their size get. See, before heating, see the condition. And after heating it cannot pass through the ring. Means what? After heating it get expand, their size get expand, and so it cannot pass through the ring. But again after cooling it can pass through that ring. Means it get contract. So that is because of the contraction. Means what? When we heat the solid substance it expand, and when we cool it get contract. So see again one example. As you seen the railway track, there is a gap between that rails. So why is that have the gap? See, there is a gap. So why it is this? So when summer season, because of the temperature, high temperature, it start to expand. See there in the picture, it start to expand when railway is there. So it become hot due to friction. Their volume of the railway tracks increases. Yes, this is because of the expansion, because of the heat. If it is not there having the gap, it causes the accident. The railway tracks bend and it causes the accident. So it have the gap for the expansion. Understood the example? This is also the expansion and contraction of the solids. Now we have to see the expansion and contraction of liquids due to heat. For that we have to take one conical flask, okay, which having the two hole rubber stopper. Means on their black color stopper is there, so they are having the two hole. So we can fit in that glass tube, hollow glass tube and thermometer. Okay, then they are having no white jar. So in one jar we have to take a cold water, and in another jar we have to take a hot water. Okay, and in conical flask also having water. In conical flask we are taking the colored water. For understanding it carefully, we are using here colored water. Now what we have to do? We have to keep this conical flask at first in a hot water bath. Okay, we have to keep in a hot water bath. Now let's see which changes are observed here. See, now I am keeping this in a hot water bath. See the level of the water, what will happen? See, in the hollow tube the level of water increasing. Yes, the level of water increasing. Now here having the ice water, cold it is. Now I am removing from that and keeping in cold water bath. Now observe the level of water, what will happen? Yes, is it increasing or decreasing? Yes, decreasing. This experiment you can try at home with the help of your parents. You can try it at a home also. See now how the level get decreasing. Why it decreasing in cold only and why it increasing in hot only? Yes, is it anyone know the reason? What will happen here? See the level get decreasing. See, when it is in a hot bath, the level increasing because of the expansion. Because of the expansion, the liquid get expand. But when we cooled it, it get contract, means it have the contraction. Understood? So this is the expansion and contraction of liquids due to heat. Now let's see again one experiment, that is expansion and contraction of gases due to heat. Due to heat. For that we have to use one bottle, plastic bottle. This experiment also you can try at a home with the help of your parents. Okay, glass bottle, balloon, hot water and cold water. Now we have to fix a balloon on the mouth of the glass bottle or plastic bottle. Okay, and now we have to hold this bottle in a hot bath. See, there we are pouring the hot water, and in the hot water bath we have to keep now that bottle with their mouth having the balloon. Now let's observe what will happen. See, that balloon start to blow. That balloon start to blow when we keep in a hot water bath. Now I am removing this bottle from hot water to, now we have to keep in a cold water. Okay, in another bath having the ice. See what will happen. It falls down. It falls down. Why it is happen? Yes. Yes, why this happen in hot water? Why that balloon blow? Because of the expansion of a gas. Because of the expansion. And in hot water, contraction. Sorry, in cold water, contraction. Understood? So this is the expansion and contraction of gases due to heat. As we keep in a hot water, that balloon start to blow as air expand, as the gas expand. But in cold water it contract. Understood? So this is the expansion and contraction of solid, liquid and gases due to heat. Now the next part, again one part remain related to heat, that we will see in a next part.